Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a curry which is vegetarian curry, I will say, because there is no fish, no meat added to this, and it is called saurak. In Goan houses, we call it saurak, all the Goans. So this is basically, you don't have to add any fish or any meat to this curry. That's why it's like my grandmother used to say, saurak ghal tuja naurak. Matlab, it's like a saurak is a word for the curry, and you make it and you serve it to your husband. Okay, so I'm making this today, and you need this basic ingredients of curry masala. So these are like half onion. I'm going to grind with this half coconut. This is half coconut. After grating this, it's like this measurement. So you need half coconut, then one a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Then you need one ball of tamarind. Then you need one pod of this small of garlic, which are this. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. Then you need 3 Kashmiri red chili, which is not spicy, and these are Goan chilies, spicy it is. So if you don't have these Goan chilies, you can always use like this short chilies what you get in supermarket or whatever. So if you want more spicy, you have to add this more of this to this, but that's it. And I will be adding this half onion and this one chili. I will show you. So now we will grind this, okay, and we'll make a paste out of it. So we'll add, I've added onion to this all goes. Add water and we will grind this to fine paste. So if any time you want to make a quick dish and your rice is ready and you want a curry, and it's always good for all people who don't want to add fish in there, then this is best. Then in Hindu version, shurak is different. I will show you one day. So like our Hindu brothers and sisters, what is shurak for them, that I will show you. So now we'll add water to this and grind this to fine paste. So whatever you need, you add. I'm adding it like half of this much, of this glass, half. Here my masala is ready quickly, and I will share you in the link which mixer grinder I use, so you can try that mixer grinder. So this is fine paste. Now the next is very simple. We'll have to cut this in straight. So now take your vessel in which you are going to cook, and then add water to this, okay? I'll put water in this. So what thick saurak you want, you can add to this. My grandmother used to do very regular because she used to like this. Like sometime those days fish and all, like it was very easy to get fish and all, but still like everyday eating fish used to not prefer. So she used to prefer to make this and some tora for korom to have. And now we'll put this onion like this. You can chop it on your cutting board. Okay, and this chili we'll add it later. So now we'll mix this. So this is little bit thicker, so I'll add more water to this. So if you want thick curry, that is thick saurak, then you can don't add water, but you see and add water. So now we'll keep this for cooking. So we'll keep this on the gas and we'll give a boil to this, and then we will add this chili and salt to taste. So this is my grandmother's style and many of them do this way in Goa houses. So now the boil is come and we have to cook this only for 5 to 10 minutes and our saurak is ready. So now at this point I will add salt and this chili. We will go like this, and salt to taste. Salt is according to your taste. Quick, easy to make, and you can enjoy it with rice and yes, with korom. If you want to see how I made korom, I will share you the link in the description box of how to make Goan style korom and enjoy with this saurak. Gal tuja nauryak. So now for 5 minutes and it's done. Now I'll make it slow and let it get cooked for 5 minutes is more than enough. So here I will close now. It's done. I will put off my gas and gas flame, and saurak is ready to eat. Hope you will enjoy this Goan saurak. Okay, it's my grandmother's recipe. I will say like her style recipe. So hope you will enjoy this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.